What was that thumb me? Up my ass? One? Alright.
You're good.
I was saying earlier about technique and how people memorize dozens and dozens and dozens of technique. If all you have are 5 techniques, but your right and your left hand can distribute them fluidly, so fluidly that you don't have to think about it. Just when he punches, okay, I've got my right hand going, he blocks anything, my left hand comes into play, my right, my left, my right, my left, my right. And feet as well, it's a whole other dimension. But if you distribute the weight, or I should say the burden of combat responsibility equally on both sides of your body, you will not have to know 11 dozen techniques. I have long since stopped using or even trying to teach all the techniques I know on my right side, because I only use about 5 or 6 that seem to be able to flip back and forth, and those do me just fine. It's almost like a lot of my students, a lot of people who comment, they say, oh, you got all these techniques, and you got all this, where do you find all this flow from? I really truly believe the secret is that my left in combat is as smart as my right. I just said a minute ago, I can't write with my name with my left hand and my right hand simultaneously. I can't even write anything with my left hand. But I can type with my left hand, and I can fight with the bigger motor functions with my left, with my right, together, in tandem with each other, moving in different areas, but working for the same goal. I think that's one of the first basic principles, the most important basic principles of combat. It's not a million techniques. It's 5 techniques that you can do at the drop of a hat on either side of your body, burning through an opponent. Kill that right now.